Hi everyone, and welcome back to Maths and Physics with Mr. Simons, where we make maths and physics easy and we get you exam ready, right? So now we're looking at grade 12 logs. We're going to solve some problems using the log laws and rules explained in the previous video. So first, we must be able to write exponential values in log format, right? So we must be able to write exponential values in log format. So there we've given you 9 to the power 2 equal to 81. Can you go from exponent to log format? So we need to do this even for our inverse function. So my base 9 stays 9, and 2 and 81 simply change places. So technically, with inverse function, we would say x and y changes places. So 81 comes here and 2 goes to the other side. Right, and we're going to do this 6 times, hopefully. Or not hopefully, you should know how to do it when I'm done explaining this. So there are 7 squared is 49, which you all know 7 times 7 is 49. So my base 7 stays 7, 49 there. So I have log base 7, 49, and it should give me an answer of 2. So again, you see 49 and 2 simply change places. There I have 3 to the power 3, which equal 27. My base 3 should stay, sorry, there, see I type 7, base 3 would stay 27, and 3 would go the other side. So 3 and 3 would stay the same there. 7 to the power 3, which equal 343, base 7 stays 343, and 3 simply change places. 3 to the power 6, which equals 729, my base 3 stays 3, 729, and 6 simply swap places. Anything to the power 0 equal 1. So you see there 5 to the power 0 equal 1. So base 5, 1 and 0 swap places. So log base 5, 1 would equal 0. Right, so I hope you follow and you see the procedure, how to go from exponential to log. Very important. Pause if you must and work through it again and again till it sticks in your head. Alright, you know the process. It's another guaranteed 2 marks. So that stress that you're feeling, to relieve yourself from it, look at all the places where you can collect marks. Alright, now we're going to look at some problems. Alright, so now this problems is not tested in CAPS no more, but a lot of you are going to university next year, and we assume you know how to solve the log problems. Those of you doing the IEB syllabus, logs is tested in exams. Right, so we have, my apologies, pardon, log 6 plus log 5 minus log 3. We must write it either as a single log number or a single term. So plus becomes multiplication, law 1 of logs. So log 6 times 5 minus log 3. 6 times 5 is 30. Right, and log 30 minus log 3 can be written as log 30 divided by 3. So negative becomes division. So 30 divided by 3 gives me 10. Right, and remember, this is a common log. So common logs, the common base we work with is 10. So there, if my base is 10 and my value is the same under the rules, we should know that answer then becomes 1. So 30 divided by 3, 10. Base is 10, the value is 10, therefore answer 1. Here we have log 3 minus log 5 plus log 25. So in short, minus can become division, so that becomes 3 divided by 5 plus log 25. And addition becomes multiplication, right? So we write it as 1 log sign, 3 times 25, which is 75 divided by 5, which then gives me a value of 15, so that becomes log 15. All right. Number 3, we have log base 3, 2 minus 2. Right, so to subtract or add any two values, same like with fractions, we're going to make the bases the same. Right, so I have base 3 here, so if I write this with base 3, log base 3, 3 would give me 1, and 1 times 2 would then give me 2. So there by 2 I've introduced log base 3. Right, so log base 3 and 3, 1 times 2 stays 2. Right, now because they are the same bases, I can apply the laws of logs. Right, so I have log 3, 2 minus log 3, 3 to the power 2. So I assume no, that 2 can go up and it becomes the exponent for 3 squared. Right, and I'm doing all the steps. I'm not going straight to the answer. So log 3, 2 minus log 3 squared is 9. Right, and there minus becomes division. So this is log base 3, 2 over 9. Right, and if you wanted the answer, you can just punch that in a calculator and you would get the answer. Let's look at some more problems, because as I say, practice makes perfect. But yeah, after seeing about 5 of them, you should be comfortable doing them. Right, express the log of a single number or as a single term. So number 4, they gave me log 2 plus log 5 1. Right, and the rules, if the base and the value are the same, that log will always equal 1. Any base and the value is 1, that answer will always become 0. So technically that just becomes 1 plus 0, which then gives me 1. Then we have log 1 over 5 minus log 25. So minus, remember, looks same as the division. So second law, we're going to divide. So that becomes 1 over 5 divided by 25. Which is the same as saying 1 over 5 times. And what do I do at the bottom? Love when the learners still say primary school, they had good teachers, tips and times. Right? The reciprocal of 25 over 1 is 1 over 25. So 1 times 1 stays 1, and 5 times 5, because 5 times 25 gives me 125. So that equals log 1 over 125. So I have a single number or single term. If they said simplify, I would have just punched that in a calculator and written the final answer. Number 6, log 81 over 16 minus 4 log 3 over 2. So first I'm going to leave that as 81 over 16. 4 I'm going to take across and make it exponent. So 3 over 2 to the power 4. Alright. And then we have log 81 over 16 minus, so 3 to the power 4. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 81, and 2 to the power 4 is 16. Alright, now they're the same, so anything subtracted by itself equals 0. That's called the additive inverse that you've learned in grade 8. So that minus itself equals 0. So I hope you follow. I hope you continue practicing. Do them, go look at other problems, follow what I've done here and see where you can solve them. If you get stuck, leave a question in the comments and I will do it for you gladly. All right. God bless. Bye.